The Fitbit Charge 6 has firmly established itself as a top-tier tracker. With the welcome return of the side button and the integration of Google Apps, it's leveled up from the already impressive Charge 5. But what's the buzz about the next big thing, the Fitbit Charge 7? Now, before we dive into the details, let's be clear. There are no solid leaks right now, but the rumor mill is buzzing with whispers of a September launch. Historically, Fitbit's release schedule is all over the place. The Charge 4 dropped in March 2020, the Charge 5 in September 2021, and the Charge 6 in September 2023. This pattern suggests we might just see the Charge 7 this September, marking a quicker turnaround than usual. Rumor has it that the Fitbit Charge 7 is set to outshine its predecessor with some stellar upgrades. Imagine a larger HD AMOLED display, potentially matching the likes of the Amazfit Band 7 and Xiaomi Mi Band 8. The Charge 6's 1.04-inch display, with a 206 by 124 resolution, could get a major boost to 1.5 inches and 240 by 240 pixels. That's right, folks, bigger and brighter. Health tracking is where Fitbit truly shines, and the Charge 7 might introduce some game-changing features. Plus, with Fitbit's AI and machine learning enhancements for heart rate sensors already in play, we expect these to get even better in the new model. Another hot topic is improved GPS and workout tracking. Charge 6 users often complained about slow GPS connections, but the Charge 7 could leverage Google Maps data and Wi-Fi networks for pinpoint accuracy, much like Apple devices. And fingers crossed, we might finally see the return of the altimeter for precise elevation tracking, a feature many users have been clamoring for. This feature would also help in determining daily readiness score. However, let's address the elephant in the room: Fitbit's premium features locked behind a paywall. If you want daily readiness score, advanced sleep tracking, personalized workouts, and access to Fitbit's vast library of classes, you'll need a subscription. Compared to Garmin and Apple, Fitbit is pretty unique in this approach, and it's not everyone's favorite thing. Looking ahead, there's talk of the Charge 7 embracing the universal charging trend with a USB-C port. While the current model's battery life is about 7 days, it's still trailing behind competitors like the Amazfit Band 7, which boasts up to 18 days. To really compete, Fitbit might need to up their battery game in the Charge 7, so users can enjoy more tracking and less charging. So there you have it. The Fitbit Charge 7 promises to bring some exciting upgrades and new features to the table. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest in tech and fitness gear. Catch you in the next video!